Hello there. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO. So this is gonna be the landing page of Shopify, and I won't take you to our 30-minute, 20-minute long video because I've already break down the key points to master on proceeding on this optimization. So I have a visual aids for you to follow here. Let's start. So how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO. There are the few guidelines. Most accurate key points is gonna be use targeted keywords in titles, descriptions, and alt text. So keywords, here is the solution, of course, or the key is keywords, basically. For example, the trending stuff right now or the trending items would be skincare. Make sure you put the keyword of skincare in every titles, descriptions, and alt text. You may use skincare for men, premium skincare, women's skincare. That idea there is always use the word skincare. Next is create high quality blog content. You can create these contents with any AI right now, so please utilize them. Optimize product titles and descriptions. Make sure you also optimize the AI right now. There are a lot right now, actually. There's Claude, GPT, and such. Moving on, improve site speed and performance. Now, this is on basis of your carrier, so make sure you have a great internet speed. You have a good paid plan for your Shopify. Make sure your site speed is the best. Build backlinks from authoritative sources, so make sure you also check on your SEO titles. Your backlinks are authorized. So create sitemaps and submit to search engines. This is also done by any freelancer, so hire one. The best freelancers out there are really good. Make sure, but the thing here is, personally, on my SEO challenges, keywords is the key. Make sure you optimize that. Now, use schema markup for your scrolling. Monitor with Google Analytics and Search Console. This is very important. And ensure site is mobile responsive. Avoid keyword stuffing. SEO is an ongoing process. Track your progress over time. So basically, I'm going to break it down to you guys. First up is use keyword. Next is track your analytics. And third is make sure your mobile is responsive. Those 3 steps right there would optimize your Shopify via SEO. Make sure you do it and have fun. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.